Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries in Virginia. We're out feeding plants today. They've already got a first feed about 4 weeks ago, and we're giving them a second feed now. And we're feeding our flowering plants with FLOWERMAX today. FLOWERMAX is the fertiliser that encourages plants to produce more flowers and brings out the intensity of the flower colour. Now in this area we have a little Hydrangeas masterpiece just planted that's going to spill down over the wall and last for years. We have Dianthus flashing light with red flowers, gorgeous red flowers. A lovely campanula in blue as well, a lovely bellflower, and coming back down this way some Viola Elaine Quinn. Back up here some Euphorbia Ascot Rainbow. Isn't that a fantastic colour? They're all going to get a feed now to encourage them to keep producing flowers and bring out the intensity of the flower colour and make sure they flower well for years and years to come. There's a small bit around the Hydrangeas masterpiece. This is a lovely creeping plant called Gypsophilus sarstoides. You're going to get a feed as well, and we're going to try and get in at the next brunner here, lovely silver foliage on the brunner, and we'll feed small bit around Dianthus flashing light. That flowers for months with red flowers, a great carpet plant, as is the blue Serbian bellflower beside it, so a little bit there, and some more fresh planting here. Arenaria here, great little plant to spill over walls and curves. That's Arenaria lemon ice, so he's getting a feed as well. And of course going back down this way to the lovely perennial Viola Elaine Quinn. That's fragrant and will keep flowering and flowering and flowering, provided we keep it fed. So it's important to feed your plants. So feed all your perennial flowers now, all your hydrangeas, like this is at the back here. We have hydrangea Annabelle laden with flower buds because we've been feeding that as well. So feed all your hydrangeas, your perennial flowers, your roses and flowering shrubs every 4 to 6 weeks from now with FLOWERMAX to get the most from them. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.